Hi ladies! Today I'm going to show you a really quick application using the 4 palette. So we have our 4 basic colors. This is your basic starter kit, our contour, our 2 highlight colors, and a lip and cheek color. And we're going to start today by applying with the multitasker brush. Now there's many ways to apply, but I like applying this one to show you exactly where the colors go. So it's quick and it's easy and it looks so natural. So let's start with contour. I'm going to tap into my contour. It's a little bit thicker, so you need to tap in a little bit harder. And we're just going to do little dots all along our forehead, like in a rainbow. And this is just going to sculpt your face, ladies. It's just going to add shape and dimension and take away that flat feeling that we get when we use traditional liquid makeup. And I was a makeup newbie when I started with SEINT. So I've learned as I went along. So I like to share my little tips and tricks with everyone else that's new to SEINT. 1 color is down. Now let's go into our brightening highlight. So this is the second. So we have 2 highlight colors. This is a brightening highlight. This is a main highlight. So your brightening highlight will just brighten the center of your face. So we're going to put that right here. This will really brighten that area. Put it here. Now if you have darkness like I do, you can put a dot inside and that will really help brighten as well. We're going to go out on that outside corner of the eye. That's going to create some nice lift, which I love. Helps clean up any eyeshadow boo-boos. We're going to come down the center of our face and cupids and your chin. I like to put like a little V up there. I don't go really light with my brightening highlight because I have textured skin. I have mature skin, so it's really bright. It would just accentuate any texture or wrinkles that I have underneath my eyes. So next we're going to go into our highlight color. And this is the one that closely matches your skin. And this is the one that goes everywhere else you do not apply any product. So this is like your foundation color. So we're just going to dot that on. Everything's applied 1 layer. It's going to warm up to your skin and it's going to blend like butter. It's the most natural finish you will get. It doesn't dry down. It stays nice and dewy. A little bit on my nose and a little bit up here and a little bit on our forehead. Not much. Now, that's our 3 colors: contour, brightening highlight, main highlight. Last color is our lip and cheek color. Still using the same brush. Tapping in today, I'm using Cindy, one of my favorites, and that goes directly above your contour. And we're going to marry those 2 colors together. It's also your lipstick. Now, if you want that a little bit darker, take a little bit of your contour color and lightly tap over it. And that will just darken up the color just a little bit. So it gives you more of a berry tone that's perfect for fall. Let's blend. We're going to take our 3D brush. We have 2 ends, all the brushes is double-ended. So you're going to take this and we're going to start tapping on our skin. We're doing like this. We're tapping like this, never like this. You're just going to swirl all the colors together and then you get a muddy mess. We don't want that. We want beautiful, natural skin. So tapping the product into the skin, and it's where it's warmed up, it blends in, it just melts into the skin. If you're seeing extra texture or extra, you're accentuating fine lines and wrinkles or accentuating pores, your color is too light. So reach out to me and we can get you a new color match. Tapping those light colors first. Up on my forehead, blending everything out, pressing that in on the outside of the eye, press it and bring it up. Same on the, turn your brush around. That's the beauty of double-ended brushes. You can just turn your brush around and we're going to lightly blend it around the eyes, not too hard. We don't want to cause extra wrinkling. Blend that down on your nose. Now let's do our contour. So it goes back into the hairline. Now if you find your contour is a little dry, you can spray some of your setting spray. I'm using the new Fixate setting spray. It's amazing. Spray it on your brush. Tap off any extra. And then you can use this to help blend out your contour. If you need extra, you can tap in. That's a little bit too wet. And there we go. Now we can add some color. And don't be afraid of the contour. If you get too much, you can blend it out, ladies. That's the beauty of a cream. It blends out so easily. Blend that down so it marries with the other colors on your face. Now we're going to go into our cheek color. I'm just going to tap and blend up. I'm going to keep those lifted cheekbones. Same on this side. So we're marrying your brush and your contour together to give you a beautiful sculpted cheekbone. Adds a beautiful flush. And that's it. Oops, forgot down here. Blend down. And there you have full face. Quick, easy, natural, and you are done. One compact, a brush or two, depending on what you're looking for, and you're good to go. If you'd like to color match, comment match me, or you can shop online with the discounted bundles. You get your 4 colors, you get a 4 palette and a brush at a discounted price, and you can pick your own colors there as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye, ladies.